This sausage looks really good, right? Let's give the sausage a bite. Hello and welcome to episode 4 of What I Eat in a Day. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I've done a few episodes of this already. I honestly really enjoy cooking and showing you guys what I make. So here it is the weekend, so I'm making a pretty big breakfast, I'd say. We're having these cheese Kransky sausages. They're amazing, and we just basically score the sausage and it has these pretty grill marks. I also love baked beans for breakfast, so just gonna spoil myself today. And we use dark rye bread from this Abbott's Bakery company. I love myself a good scrambled egg in the morning, and the key to this is temperature control. Just make sure it's not too hot or else the eggs are gonna overcook. Here I'm just like, stirring madly just to make sure the eggs don't overcook. And I added a dash of milk to it as well, so it adds more creaminess to the eggs. I'm also sprinkling on some feta cheese on top. This is the Danish feta and it just adds a bit more savory to it. And here we go, a lovely English breakfast. Alright, breakfast today. It is the weekend, so we made effort to actually make something nice. We have a kind of English breakfast. We have a cheese Kransky, scrambled eggs, English baked beans, and dark rye toast that's been toasted. If you guys have been following my What I Eat in a Day or Week or Weekend series, you would have known that I also drink my milk tea like it's coffee, so cheers to the morning.
Hi.
Hi. This sausage looks really good, right? Let's give the sausage a bite.
Good, huh?
So cheesy. I like how there's cheese inside and the skin is very crispy. It has that chew to it.
It's a pop.
The pop. The sausage pop. Maybe I can put some butter on the bread next time. Alright, it's lunchtime guys, and today I'm feeling a bit creative, so I'm going to make wontons. Here I'm just mixing some turkey mince, which is kind of unconventional, but that's all I had on hand. And I also had some prawn meat as well in there. So yeah, here you're just gonna see me wrapping wontons. To be honest, I haven't wrapped wontons in like the longest time. It's been years, so yeah, my skills are a little bit dusty, but yeah, here I am, just trying to make everything nice. Oh, and I also had leftover turkey, so that's why I'm just pan frying that and then adding some broccoli for a bit more nutrition for the night, and also adding some Hokkien noodles that I had in my fridge. And I felt kind of creative, so I added this spicy like black bean pepper sauce. It's from this instant noodle brand by Samyang, and yeah, I'm just gonna mix everything together and make like a spicy black bean Hokkien noodle. On the side, I'm making some chicken broth, well, kind of like fake chicken broth for the wontons, and yeah, these turned out amazing. Alright guys, so for dinner tonight we made handmade wonton soup, and then we also made a very random stir-fried Hokkien noodles with spicy pepper gochujang black bean sauce, and I have some turkey and prawns in there minced up, which is like leftovers from the wonton fillings, and then I also have broccoli. It's good.
They're massive wontons. But it tastes good.
We put turkey mince and prawns. Traditionally, you'd use pork, but we didn't have pork mince on hand. So our leftovers, really.
Less spicy. More flavor. It's very good. Nice.
It's good.
I'm also having leftovers. This is the kaizen don that we got last night. This is like rice with sashimi on top. I've got myself some seaweed. And then I'm just gonna grab some of the fish. I think there's got like spanner crab, tuna, kingfish, fish roe. Let's give this a bite. Tastes like an expensive hand roll.
It's good ingredients.
I just baked some chocolate cupcakes. These were just from a cake mix because I wanted to save on time and washing, and they turned out really beautiful. I love how uniform they look, and it looks fluffy. Whoa, let me try this. Wow. These are really good. Usually with cupcakes, they're kind of dry and I don't know, cakey, but this one's super moist. Wow. Yum. I'm gonna give some to Hong now. Alright, we've made it to dinner time, well, almost. And tonight I'm gonna make Hong's favorite spare ribs. This is like a Chinese spin to it, so I'm just gonna boil the spare ribs first just to get rid of like any gunk and blood, you know, all that stuff, and just take it out shortly. Then I'm gonna bring it back onto the pan. It's gotta be a pretty hot pan with oil so you get that char and sear. And then I'm adding my usual Anna seasonings, I call it, because I just kind of wing it and eyeball everything and just add everything I have in my pantry. So I have soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, Chinese vinegar, So for dinner tonight, we have sweet and sour pork spare ribs with some stir-fried bok choy and also a seaweed tofu pork rib soup. I also made some purple rice.
Alright, dinner is served tonight and we have a lot of food, a lot of good food. So I'm gonna have the purple rice with a bit of soup. I love seaweed soup.
It's good. Tastes better than it smells.
It's good. I had pork ribs in there before, so it's got the rib flavor.
Super meaty. Super.
Give it all. Honey, when you say